Hello and welcome students to my class. This is a mathematics class for grade 1. So today we are going to understand the concept of comparison. Comparison numbers 1 to 20. So let us first understand what do we mean by comparison. When we talk about comparison, let us take an example. There are two children, Rohan and Riya. Both are having some marbles. Like Rohan is having some marbles and Riya is also having some marbles. Now, if I ask you among these two children who is having more marbles, here we can see Rohan is having 5 marbles and Riya is having 8 marbles. And clearly we can see that Riya is having more marbles. So in such a case, when the number of marbles that Riya has is greater than the number of marbles that Rohan have, we can see that 5 is less than 8. This is the sign of less than, and this way we compare the numbers. Now let us take another example. Suppose if Riya give 2 marbles to Rohan. Now Rohan's marbles are increased by 2. Now Rohan have 7 marbles and Riya is left with only 6 marbles. Here we can see that now Rohan is having more marbles. In such a case we will put a greater than sign here. This sign is called greater than, and hence we find that 7 is greater than 6. Let us take another situation when Rohan and Riya both are having 5 marbles. In such a situation, when both are having same number of marbles, we can see that these are equal numbers. So we put this equal to sign here. This is called the equal to sign that is used for comparing the numbers. So if at the both sides the numbers are same, we put the equal to sign. Now without drawing the object, can we compare the numbers? Yes, we can use a number strip. Like you can see, a number strip of numbers 1 to 10 has been shown on the screen. We can use it for comparison of numbers. Let us take an example. Here you can see that we are given to compare 8 and 4. Now for 8 and 4, if we want to compare, we will look at the number strip. Here you can see that 4 is at the left hand side of 8. In such a case, we put the greater than sign here, as we can see that 8 is greater than 4. Again, when we have another question, that is compare 2 and 5. Again we will see on the number strip that 5 is at the right hand side of 2. In such a case we will put the less than sign here, as 2 is less than 5. Now I am giving you some more questions for practice. Do it in a paper. Now, can we compare greater numbers with the same method? Yes, we can use this method up to 20. We will use a number strip 1 to 20 for that. Now, if we are having a question where we are asked to compare 12 and 15, in such a case, we will follow the same method. Looking at the number strip, we can see that 15 is at the right hand side of 12. Then we will put the less than sign here. Again another example, if we are asked to compare 15 and 10, here we can see on the number strip that 10 is at the left hand side of 15. So again we will put here the greater than sign. So simply if the second number is at the left hand side of the first number, we will put the greater than sign, and if the second number is at the right hand side of first number, we will put the less than sign. So I am giving you some more questions for practice. Do it and understand, and you can ask me if any doubt or problem is there. So this was the class for comparison. We will understand new topic in the next class. Thank you for now.